Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Google Pixel 8, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when your screen is not respond. Firstly, you need to press and hold power and volume up buttons. Press it and hold during 15 seconds or something about it. So of course, if you have damaged your screen, it will not help you. So if your screen is damaged, if your smartphone has fallen and after that your screen does not respond, so of course this instruction will not help you. This instruction will help you only when your Android system just have freezed and you just need to force restart your device. So press and hold 15 seconds, then release both of keys and wait for about 12 seconds, I don't know, 20, 30, 60, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes you can wait. From that time you can wait different amount of time just because while your device is performing force restart, it's clearing the cache, and if you have a lot of cache, so this process will be longer, will take a longer while. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.